Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today we'll be showing you around this stunning approved used Audi Q4 E-tron Sportback. It comes dressed in the gorgeous Mythos black, sure to turn heads when on the road. You have an AC and DC charging access point, as well as an 11 kilowatt onboard charger, making at home and on the go charging more easy and convenient, all while standing on 21-inch alloy wheels with a 5-arm rotor design. For added convenience, the power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze when those hands are full. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the stylish leather upholstery, centre armrest for those longer journeys, and the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. To the front of the cabin, you have the 4-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Behind the wheel, you have the 4-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. For added safety, the rear view camera helps to manoeuvre in those tight spaces with confidence and ease. The MMI multimedia display, going into phone apps. For wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. In the car menu, with charging to take advantage of off-peak charging tariffs. Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode, such as dynamic for a more sporty drive, or comfort for those longer journeys. Parking aids for front and rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces, and driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations. And the navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination. Below, you have the climate control system, so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature, with the added luxury of heated seats for those chillier mornings. Finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox, an electric parking brake, 2 USB charging points and 2 handy cup holders. This approved used Audi Q4 e-tron is now available and on site. For more information, call our sales team today, who will be more than happy to help. Thank you.